Hi, good morning to all. Today we are going to see class 11 informatics practices term 2 IP syllabus. Okay, already you all completed the term 1 exam. I hope you all did well. Now we have the term 2 syllabus. What is the term 2 syllabus and what all the chapters are there? That today's video we will see. Okay, let's start now. What are all the topics we have? We have unit 3 and unit 4. Only 2 units we have. Unit 3, we have the database concepts and the structured query language. Then Unit 4, Introduction to Emerging Trends. Only these 2 units we have for the term 2. And for the database concepts and the structured query language, we have 30 marks. And Introduction to Emerging Trends, we have 5 marks. So total, we have 35 marks for the term 2. Already for term 1, you have written 35 marks. Now 35 marks. So total 70 marks is over. So now for the term 2 also, we are going to write for 30 marks. In the beginning, the CBSE has given the term 2 also we will write 90 minutes, but still it is not clear because it is a descriptive paper. So we didn't get the clear information. But up to now, we are going to write for 90 minutes only. Okay, so the database concept and the structured query language 30 marks, introduction to emerging trends 5 marks, so total 35. This introduction to emerging trends is a theory chapter, and here also, that is in unit 3 also, we have the theory as well as the practical from this chapter. So it has the unit 3 contains more weightage, that is 30 marks is there for the unit 3. Okay. So now under the unit 3, what are all the topics we have? Let's see the database concepts and the structured query language. So here the first one is database concept, introduction to database concepts and its need, database management system, relational data model. Under that, we have the concept of attribute, domain, tuple, relation, candidate key, primary key, alternate key, foreign key. All this you should know the theoretical wise plus the practical. Okay, because you have the practical from this chapter only. So the relation, what is relational data model and what is the concept of attribute, domain, tuple, relation, candidate key, primary key, alternate key, and foreign key. Then SQL, that is structured query language. Under that, we have data definition language, that is called DDL. Then data query language. Then DML, data manipulation language. Then the introduction to MySQL, how to creating a database and using a database, showing tables using MySQL. And what are the different data types we are using in this MySQL? That is char, varchar or varchar, int, float, date. There are other different data types also we have, but the CBSE has this prescribed only the char or char, then varchar or varchar, int, float, then date. This is only prescribed by the CBSE. Then data definition commands. This is the important topic. All your query, your practical, everything related to this topic. Creating the table, drop, alter, add and remove the primary key and its attribute. Then data query command, select. Then from where class, like class, between, in, order by, using arithmetic, logical, relational operators and null values in queries. Then distinct keyword, distinct class in the data manipulation command, insert, update and delete. So this is the unit 3 chapters what you are going to study. Now in the unit 4 we have introduction to emerging trends. In that AI, that is artificial intelligence, then machine learning, natural language processing, NLP, then immersive experience, that is AR and VR, augmented relation and virtual relation, or reality, augmented reality, virtual reality, immersive experience, and the robotics, Then big data and its characteristics, IoT, that is Internet of Things, sensors, smart cities. Then what is cloud computing and cloud services? Under that, what are the different three services we have? SaaS, IaaS, PaaS. Okay, service as a provider, internet as a provider, portal as a platform as a provider. So this is the different services, all that you will study over there. Then what is grid computing? Then blockchain technology. So this is the emerging trends chapter. This chapter contains 5 marks and this is the theory chapter. Then the practical, if you see that is a pen and paper practical. So you have to do pen and paper as well as you should know the practical knowledge also. So SQL queries, 8 marks. Then practical file day, school teachers will give you 20 queries. For that, 4 marks. Viva 3 marks, so total 15 marks. Already for the 15 marks, you have did it in term 1. Now term 2 again 15 marks. So total it will be 30 for the practical and 35 plus 35 for the theory, total 70. So you will get a 100 marks over here. And if you see the SQL chapter, 35 out of 30 you are having the unit 3. Then apart from that, you have 8 marks over here in the practical also. So you have to be very careful while studying your SQL topic and keen observation is needed. Okay, so in the next class, we will see to start the chapter database management system, that is unit 3 we will start. So I hope if you are clear with your term 2 syllabus. So the next video we will see. Thank you. Bye.